Okay, time to take a look at the BYEASY 8-in-1 Type-C USB-C hub. So it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, and this is a little over 20 inches long. We got instructions and the hub. So nice metal material all the way around, even the base. We got some thick rubber strips here on the bottom to make sure it's not going to slide around, and to protect the table, we got the same thing on the top. That is a nice strong bracket on there, which is great because if you got to put something heavy on there, you know it's going to stay in place. And we also have, sounds like a ratcheting, rotating base. That's cool. Now the cool thing about this is you could call whichever side you want the front, so you could have this being the front, or you could rotate this around and have that being the back. I'm going to call this the front because on the back we've got Ethernet port, HDMI, and power delivery in. So in my opinion, this should be facing the rear of the computer. On the side we've got our card readers, we got our Type-C. On the other side we have two USB hubs, and we have an audio jack. Now, I always like having an Ethernet jack on the back just because most of the components that I've got right now are going to be able to work with Wi-Fi, but in the event that I end up in a space that does not have Wi-Fi, but I do have an Ethernet, this will allow me to still get internet access. So always a nice thing. And another cool thing is just the angle that I can get with this. Like the fact that I'll be able to get the screen up to more of an eye level for myself, that is going to be a big deal for me. In the back, I will plug in power delivery. On the right side, I'm going to plug in my USB-C. And then I'm going to plug that into my laptop. And it does say we are charging, so we are getting power from the dock. Now, what's great about that is I can plug in my keyboard, my mouse, everything into this dock, and then when I come home for the day, all I have to do is plug in this one cable, and I'll already have everything connected. So very nice having that. So let's drop in an SD card. And it picks that up right away. I'm going to do the same thing with a thumb drive on the other side. And it picks that up right away. And I want to check the HDMI in the back. There we go. So now I've got my second monitor as well. So where that can come in handy is if I want to take this, drag it over there. If I want to watch a video over here and do my working over here, I have that option. So having a second monitor, once you have it, it's kind of hard to go back. And the fact that I can get all of this just from that one cable, that is just awesome. Now I'm going to do a speed check on that thumb drive, and we will see how fast this dock can actually run. Okay, so we got some excellent numbers. We got 451 on the read, 456 on the write. So those are fairly consistent with what I'm finding with USB 3.0. So perfectly acceptable speed. So yeah, that is a pretty sweet dock. The fact that I can just take my laptop, throw it on this thing, plug one cord in. I've got access to all these ports, and all of them work very well. This is a very cool dock.